Mommy's car is dirty. You want to help her wash it?
No.
No?
Well,
What are you fixing? But you fixing my tire? Is it broken?
Yes.
Watch your head. Watch your head. Daddy's Corvette? Yeah, I don't think you need to fix Daddy's Corvette. No, don't put the tools on Mommy's car.